Deming at KCAM Financial joins us now for the Trader Rundown. It is an abbreviated trading week because, of course, the market was closed for the observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So here we are, starting a fresh week. What are you watching?
We are. And earnings.
Right.
This week, earnings really take center stage. Last week, the banks were the focus, Angie, also some of the economic data, but this week, the earnings are going to be certainly the lead storyline, I think, this week. Some of the issues out of D.C. will probably continue to be headline risk, but ultimately, I think the market's going to focus on earnings.
Right. How much does the stock market pay attention to this impeachment trial?
Not much right now, because I just don't think the market anticipates that there's any real threat, because the votes just aren't there to get him out before the election. I think more so the market will focus on how the election tones start to shift in the summer. But currently, unless it looks like it's going to be something where you're going to see Republicans crossing over to possibly vote him out, then that will change the dynamics dramatically. But at this point, the market's really discounting that.
Dan, taking a look at the economic indicators right now, retail numbers coming in.
Mixed bag. Yeah, here it is, Angie.
Right.
Here's the story.
Okay.
The story is that inflation remains low. And as long as inflation remains low, the Fed's on hold. And as long as the Fed's on hold, the market is going to look for valuations in the equity markets, which is why we continue to see the market appreciating in this type of environment, because the expectations are, as long as the Fed continues to be accommodative in its interest rate policy, that there's the only place for money to go is into the equity market.
Good to have you here. Thank you, Dan.
All right, thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.